What's up, you guys? I'm Kimberly Towers, owner of the Red Rose in Minneapolis, Minnesota. If you are looking to start a cleaning business, you can make up to the following and more. $1,000 a day is my new standard goal. I make up to $5,000 a week. You can earn up to $17,500 a month or more. Last year, the Red Rose made $150,000, and this year, we're hoping to make $250,000. Follow me, I'll show you how. You're going to want to watch to the end to find out that one must-have to ensure your business's success. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit that notification button. Let's get into it. When I first started, I put $800 into the business. I just had a few clients and the name. And then from there, I made a website, uniform, scheduling system, and really tried to emphasize the brand. To get into the cleaning business, it's pretty easy and relatively inexpensive. So I think that you can spend around $500, maybe even a little less to get into the cleaning business. That's gonna cover equipment like vacuums, mops, and then cleaning solutions that go in your cleaning bag. If you're looking at vacuum prices for a standard vacuum, you're looking around $130. And then for all the solutions that go in a typical cleaning bag, total you're looking at probably $60 or so. Maybe some bags, rags, and buckets are around $50. You want to make sure your feet and hands are protected with shoes and gloves, so you're looking at maybe another $100 there. I think when starting up a cleaning business, you need to pay yourself enough money to live. So I just looked at what my bills are going to cost on an average level, not living beyond my means, and just was making sure that I was getting a paycheck to cover that. But I tried to invest all of my money and anything extra back into the business. I really tried in the first couple years to reinvest all profits. So I did make sure that we were still donating to the community and able to get any extra supplies that we wanted, or making sure my people are paid well. But I really didn't take too much profit out of the business for the first couple years for anything, and I just put it right back into the business. When choosing equipment, I would definitely keep in mind cost. So if you're taking this equipment to all clients' houses all over the place, you don't want the most expensive equipment ever. You need something that's good for general surfaces as well. So whether it's granite or wood, if you have specific type of cleaners, that can get really spendy. So a good general cleaner is the way to go. The must-have tools that you need for residential cleaning are going to be a vacuum. You want a floor vacuum and a handheld vacuum, a mop. You're gonna want a bathroom cleaner, a Windex, something to shine stainless steel and surfaces, and then dusting spray as well, and then dry dusters. This is the ultimate cleaning person's kit. These are Swiffer dusters. This is powdered Tide. This is a good general cleaner. We also mix this with water to clean floors. Carpet deodorizer. We have a bottle of our signature scent, which is Room Bloom, that we spray for fragrance. This is stainless steel cleaner. This is Barkeeper's Friend for hard water stains and rust. We have Windex, of course. Microban bathroom cleaner, wood cleaner, Method brand, granite polish. We have a scrub for bathrooms. We also have an electric scrub for harder areas. Mr. Clean white sponges, Swiffer dusters for dusting and then also for floors. Carbon cloths, these are for windows and glass. A bag of scrapers and scrubs. A bottle of vinegar and Dawn dish soap that we use for hard water stains in bathrooms. Gloves, so we're sanitary, of course. And then the shoes that you need to wear in the home. I think that one of the biggest surprises people find in our tool bags are pumice stones, and those are used usually in like the nail salons for feet and dry skins, but they're also really good for hard water stains or like toilet bowl rings. So that's something that people find in our bags and they're like, what is this? I I think the toughest thing about running a cleaning business is consistency. I do think that's one of the most important things, so it's something that I constantly emphasize. But if I'm cleaning a home and another staff member is cleaning a home, technically the home should come out the same way with the same sparkle, and it can be difficult to keep that consistency through something that is left up literally into someone else's hands. The rationale we have behind our pricing and services is what we pay our people to do the job, the cost of the products, equipment, and then the cost of things like our scheduling systems or uniforms or things that we have in place on the job that make the Red Rose what they are. My vehicle plays a huge role in my business. It is a means to transportation, which is how we get from house to house. It's how we make money. My vehicle becomes an office sometimes, so I'll work a lot from my phone when I'm stopped at clients' houses or in between jobs. And then I also take breaks and I eat in the car. We snack in the car between jobs, so it doubles as a lot of things. When getting a vehicle for your cleaning business, you definitely want to consider size. So the size of the trunk, I think, is the most important part. Making sure you have enough room for equipment and tools for the cleaning job. And then you also want to consider the gas mileage, how many miles the tank gets to the gallon, because you are driving a lot with a cleaning company. So you want to make sure your car gets good mileage. When it comes to general cleaning tips in a room, you're going to want to start from top to bottom, and then you're going to want to move around the room from left to right. Levels are really important when you're cleaning a room. You want to see things from the client's perspective. So when they're sitting on the couch, what do they see? What areas are they looking at? What dust and fingerprints can they see? You really want to get on the level of the client. And levels in the kitchen are important as well. I always sit at the dining room table to make sure I can see what the client sees from their point of view, looking at the stove, the dining room table, the kitchen sink, and the faucets, to make sure that we're getting every spot that the customer sees. Levels are definitely important in the bathroom too. One of the top things I tell my team is to close the toilet seat and sit on the toilet so that you can see what the client sees from this spot. You're really going to be checking inside the shower and also the countertops to see anything that you may have missed. The 3 key steps to ensuring a good cleaning job is scrub, shine, and look behind. The Red Rose doesn't have a marketing budget because our clients and community do the marketing for us. We are all based off of word of mouth right now, which is so exciting, and I'm so proud of that, but it's free advertisement. What's up, you guys? How you doing? Good, good. Our community and our clients talk to each other, put us on Facebook, spread our social media, and that's how we get clients right now, is just based off people loving us and our business. I think that Google reviews are really important. We love to see positive things that people say about us online. And so if someone's Googling a cleaning company and our name pops up, everyone just goes straight to the reviews. It's super important to have a 5-star review online. One thing unique about Red Rose customers is they're like family. Our customers are ride or die. They're so loyal to us. They love us and we love them. We always say we love what we do and we love who we do it for. And so I think that really reflects in our work, and our clients feel the same way about us. I would say about 95% of our clientele is from someone telling someone. Our community is just so supportive, and they really back us and make sure they use our services or tell someone about our services.
I remember writing a review about just the quality of the clean that we were receiving from the Red Rose, and also the longevity of our relationship with them. It's been important to us. As a customer, it's important to have people who are coming into your home that you enjoy being around. I now work from home, so when the cleaners come in, I'm here with them during the clean. So it's nice to have people who are friendly. If I were going to give some advice to someone interested in starting a cleaning company, I would encourage them to think about the client perspective and think about what they would want. What would they want if they were having someone come into their home?
One one of the things that I suggest to staying motivated and what I do for myself is just always go back to my why. Why am I doing this? Why did I get started with this in the first place? I think it's really important to write things down. So I make sure that, it's posted on my mirror in the morning, or I have notes in my phone to remember really the mission and purpose behind the way I run my business and why I'm passionate about it. Because sometimes you can just get down in the dumps, or you have a long day and you're like, I don't know if I can do this anymore. But putting one foot in front of the other because you're making a difference is the way that I stay afloat. The one must-have you need to run a successful cleaning business, or really any business, is belief in yourself. When I started, I think that I wasn't really proud of the work I was doing, or outwardly proud. I was really shy about it and nervous, and I think that I struggled in the beginning because of that. Go with your gut, stick to your ideas, and people will follow. Once you get customer loyalty and you're putting out a good product and doing a good job, people will follow and your business can skyrocket from there. There are so many cleaning businesses out there. You need to find your niche. And remember that customer experience turns into customer loyalty, and that's everything. Those two pieces of advice can apply to almost any business. When I started, I was a little nervous about charging too much. I looked at the competition and I realized they were charging a lot less than what I thought I should charge. And so I kind of started to charge less, and that really put me down in the beginning. And as I moved on, it was harder to raise prices. So if you start at a premium price, people will expect that from you, and it's harder to backtrack and be like, actually we're changing the price of our service now and we're hiking it up. So I definitely recommend trusting your gut and going with what you feel your service is worth.